What's going on, guys? Back again with another rifle review. This is a FN M4A1 Chambered in 5.56. This is a 14.5-inch barrel and shoots really good, man. As long as it's clean, as long as you keep it greased up, it will shoot. Bad ammo, good ammo, it will shoot. Not really much to say. Attached, we have a Streamlight ProTac 2.0. We have a Trijicon Acog scope, and everything else is pretty much stock. Magpul 30-round magazines, and yeah, it's a pretty solid rifle, man. Very reliable, and if it's not broken, don't fix it. Love it. Have a good one.